Oh, good boy. My old hairy Herb here. I call Herbie a Baskel. He's half Basset, half Beagle, so I call him a Baskel. They call them Bagels now. I understand they're like a boutique dog, but Herbie's just a rescue dog, but a good one. You smeared your mascara this morning, Herbie.